Hello, so let's start today's drawing. For that, I'm going to draw plus sign, and in this plus sign, the top part is little bit bigger than the bottom part. Now I'm drawing alphabet D on the top of the plus sign. Now I turn the paper upside down and I'm going to draw alphabet D again. Now I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you can see 1 and 2, they are little bit bigger. This is the middle point for this line, and I'm taking another point on the left side. It's very close to the middle point. Now I'm drawing alphabet Y. Now this is the line and this is the middle point. I'm taking the other point on the right hand side. So now I'm coloring with the marker. If you don't want to color, you can stop over there. So I'm using two different colors of brown. This is the darker shade I'm using, and there's a one lighter shade for the whole body. Now I'm going to use color pencil. I will use one dark brown color pencil, one light brown color pencil. Dark brown will go on darker place, light brown will go on lighter places. So please let me know whatever you want me to draw next in my videos. So in the comment box, you can write it down and I will go through that. Thank you.